Eyes makeup tips. Nature has given us a different kind of eyes like small, emerging, and the strander. If properly done makeup for beautiful eyes, you can become the mistress of eye makeup. For the first time, to take precautions to buy cosmetics. Do not ever play it in your eye cosmetics. Let us talk about individual eye shape and choose the makeup tips. Deep eyes makeup tips. Strand. Eyes that look inward and brow bone. The bone between the eyes and eyebrows are less prominent, so bulging eyes look fine. Subdued light pink or beige shadow on the eyelids and eyes. Upper line crease on the side of the light. Subscribe now. Eye shadow. Medium toned brow and brow bone. Starting from the show more content. It seems to be very few seem to have the eyes, therefore it is also necessary that the eye makeup look a little cautious. Slept, or C may not be visible. Drug matter neutral color on the inner half of the eyelids and keep eye shadow. Choose a darker color on the part of its surroundings, but it should not outskirts. Avoid the use of dark, heavy eyelids, as it will start to seem. Eyes do not even darker on the upper and lower edges. Upper lashes. Little curl and mascara. Find 1 or 2 quotes on the brow bone, and bright colors are neither too bright nor too light colors of use. Set close eye. Close set eyes makeup tips. They reduce the distance between